Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a no DIY beautiful ombre lace wig from Nadula hair. It does come with elastic bands, but they aren't attached to the unit, so you would have to sew those on. This unit is so beautiful. I love the color. It is fire, y'all. It just screams bold statement hair. Really nice summer look. It could also be great for the springtime, and I did get it in length 24, so it's really long, and I love the curly texture right out of the package. This is what the lace looks like. It is regular lace, so it isn't the transparent lace that I've been doing in my latest videos, but I'm going to show you all how to customize it to make it look natural. So I'm just going to put it on just to test it out before we begin installing, and as you can see, this lace is not one that matches my skin tone well, but we're going to modify it as I stated. I was also initially unsure as to whether it was going to cover my hairline, but once I pulled it forward, I was like, oh, okay, great, it does cover it, which is awesome. Now, I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a middle part or a side part, so I'm just parting it off just to look at the parting space. This lace front is a 13x4 construction, and I generally do like a 13x6 so that you have more parting space, but with curly hair, you can generally get away with having a shorter length of parting, so it's perfectly fine. So I decided that I'm going to do a side part. We're going to look at it a little closer. I'm putting it on my mannequin head so that you all can see the pre-plucked hairline. The knots are not bleached on this unit, and you are going to have to tweeze the hairline a bit more to make it look more natural. And I'm going to show you guys now how we're going to modify this lace. So I'm going to be using the Wig Guru's lace tint, and I told you guys I love this stuff. This lace tint is perfect for a lace like this that has more of a yellow tone to it, because you can actually see the transformation happen before your eyes. So now it's the color that I desire. I did use Finest Mocha, and I am blow drying it before proceeding to install. And then I also decided to go in with my face powder. This is going to help to camouflage those knots a bit more, because I told you guys that the knots aren't bleached. So I'm just going in with that. And then after I've done this, I'm going to begin to cut the lace off in the front.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Alright, so now it's time to install, but before we do, I do want to show you all the curl pattern up close and personal. I love that this color transitions from black into this beautiful ombre auburn color. And as I've shared in previous videos, if you want to try color on your natural hair, try a wig first. This is such a great option. So now we're going to begin to install, and as you all can see, the lace looks so much better. It blends so well with my skin tone, and it looks really natural, but we are going to have to tweeze the hairline. So I'm just going to do that now, and then I'll come back on when we move to the next step.
You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time. So
alright, so now it's time to install, and I will be using the bedhead spray. That has been my go-to lately. I have been grabbing that a lot. It's super fast, and the process is much easier. And as I've shared before, it's less messy. I was able to install this unit probably in about 5 minutes or less. It was just so easy.
oh, come to me. I got what you need. Just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah.
Now that we've secured the unit down, I'm going to begin to add moisture into the hair and add back the definition that was there prior to manipulating it when I was parting and doing all of that. So I'm just spraying water on the hair first and then following it up with a leave-in. But again, the curls look very nice right out of the package, but because I disturbed the curls a bit when I manipulated the hair, I'm just getting that definition back and also adding a bit of moisture, because this is curly hair and we don't want it to look dry. It's also color treated, so it does need additional moisture.
I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your best. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know. Ooh, I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine.
This is the amount of shedding that I received, and this is quite normal for curly hair. Generally with the first wash you do experience shedding. Now after I wash and condition the hair, if it continues to shed, then that would be abnormal, but I think this unit would be fine. Right now I'm just adding some mousse to my edges and also to the area near the parting, and this is going to give it additional shine and just make it look juicier. So I'm doing that now, and then after we're going to be finished, guys.
I'll take care of you. Hey, I just wanna talk to you. Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah. And see what this love can do. Ooh, oh, it's just gonna be us two. Cause baby, this love was made just for you. I promise you, baby, that I won't waste your time. I don't wanna waste your time. I'll make sure you're safe, make sure you're satisfied, love. You are a jewel, you are one of a kind. And I ain't leaving until you are mine.
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed seeing another beginner friendly tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check the description for all the links and specifications to this unit. Let me know what you all think about this color. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.